Hello, my name is Swati Prashantukarkar. I am from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. The topic for me is AI tools. Nowadays, everyone is using the AI tools. Let's say, example is ChatGPT. Now the students are using the ChatGPT for making the assignments, for making the reports. For coding purposes, they are using the ChatGPT. But there are various AI tools are available. Now, just now, if I take Nano Banana AI is tool is there, which we can use for text editing, image editing. Let's say one example is if I'm there at Burj Khalifa, I can edit the image by using that Nano Banana AI. And another tool is Cloud AI is there. Now the faculty is having the books. In general day-to-day life, we cannot upload the PDF to review that PDF. But by using that Cloud AI tools, we can upload the images, we can upload the document which will be in a bigger size. So that is the main purpose of that Cloud AI tools. Or something else, another tool is there. Elicit AI tool is there. So that Elicit AI tool can be used for deep research. Let's say student, faculty, when we are reviewing any paper or some making the IEEE papers. So when we have the searching the any kind of the papers are there. So deep research can we do it by using the Elicit AI that AI tools. So these are the tools. Some tools are available. More than that, tools are also available. We can use it. And another is Kling AI tool is there. So that tool we can use for the image editing, and we can have the realistic image by using that Kling AI tools are also there. Thank you.